Today's unit is going to come from the company YooWigs. I have reviewed for them before. If you guys have not seen it, I will go ahead and leave a link down below to that review. But in the box, they send you like a little makeup brush set, and then they also give you a little company card. And it just tells you how to return if you don't like it, and also just instructions. And then the unit comes in this nice little sack, and then you also get the wig in the plastic bag. Now I'm gonna apologize ahead of time because my footage was deleted from me showing you guys what this unit looked like out of the package, but I'm showing you guys what it looks like while it is freshly washed, which I feel like it's still okay because you guys already know that when a unit is washed, it looks a different way versus how it looks out of the package. But yeah, so this unit is a 360 lace frontal wig. It is their kinky curly unit. By the way, I don't think this is kinky curly at all. It's 200%. It also has the dream lace, which I love because their lace just melts in. You guys are going to see, trust me. And you also get an extra detachable band. So if you guys do not know how to sew your elastic band on, it comes with a detachable one. And this unit is 12 inches also, in case I did not mention that. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. As you guys seen, the knots on this unit look really good, and you get a very good amount of parting space, and the bleach took very well. You also get a pre-plucked hairline, and you get a little bit of baby hairs. I had to go in and kind of customize just a little bit. Right now I am just adding in my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner, and I'm just scrunching up the hair in the back and making sure I put this all over the hair. And then I'm going to go into the hairline, and I'm going to kind of create my own baby hairs. Now I'm not going to go really hard on the baby hairs because I am doing a side part. I want it to look as natural as possible, but I am going to cut them down very short, and then I will be molding the hairline and the top of the hair along with the baby hairs with my Lotta Body foam wrap. Make sure to leave a link down below to where you guys can purchase this mannequin head from. And I also did get a new stand, and I also have a new sewing head. So I'll make sure to leave a link down below for all of that, and also the Tpins in case you guys are needing all of that just to start off with preparing and styling your wig so it can make it easier on you. When you are cutting down your baby hairs, it just really depends on how long you want them. I like for mine to be short because some days when I don't want baby hairs, I just want them to look very natural in the front. So just a little bit of short hair, and I just kind of like wisp it out just to cover up the line of demarcation in case there is one with a unit. Because sometimes when you bleach the knots on a unit, no matter what, depending on the lace from the company, because every company has different lace, just to warn you guys. So that's why I say some units sometimes need baby hairs. I know some people are against it, but some companies' lace is very thick and very hard, so it's not easy to blend. But like with this company, the one thing I can say is when it gets on your head, it melts in with no problem. So I really do love the lace on their unit. There's a couple of companies units that I really like as far as the lace goes because I have no problem with it blending on my head. Some units I have to do extra work to, but like I said, with this one I don't. So as you guys can see, I'm just taking my time and using my rat tail comb, and I hope you guys are getting a good angle of this because I moved my tripod up so that it could focus on exactly what I was doing. You don't really need a lot of product in the front, but it's up to you to freestyle how you want the front of your hairline to be. Like I said, I decided to go with a side part with this unit just because I have other curly units that I will be working on, so I want to style them different ways for you guys to see. And I know some of you guys love the middle part, but a lot of you guys also asked about the side part also. This is what the unit looks like now that I am done styling the very front. I'm going to go ahead and turn this around for you guys, and I will be letting this air dry overnight. And I did go ahead and add an elastic band on this unit. I totally forgot about the attachable band that they put on here. So yeah, that was my fault. But this is what it looks like now that it is freshly dry. It looks very good. And I'm going to go ahead and put the mannequin up so you guys can see what that parting space and the hairline looks like now that it is dry. Once again, this is a 360 unit, so you get your soft lace in the front, lace in the back, 2 combs on the side, a comb at the top, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps, along with that detachable band that they do include in the box. The fit on this was very nice, so I had no issues with it being too big. In fact, it fit my head really good. Once again, I'll make sure to leave all of the info down below, like the specs and stuff, in case you guys are interested in this unit. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off of my head like I always do, and I'm just going to make sure I don't cut my baby hairs. I'm going to kind of cut around them, which gives me enough lace to work with in case I wanted to freeze spray or glue this unit down. Get up close so you guys can see exactly what this unit looks like without me having to add anything to the hairline or to the parting space. It just looks that good. So I will be wearing this one out for the day. I'll go ahead and probably insert some pictures of me in the car and in the house and just running my little errands, because I did take a couple of pictures with this unit. But I'm just going to go ahead and bobby pin this unit to the side, and I'm not going to add any gel. I'm not going to add any spray. I'm just going to wear it as is because it looks so good that I feel like it didn't really need anything else to it. However, I will be taking my Ruby Kisses 3D Creator palette and just kind of going in to the parting space. I really didn't have to add any powder to the hairline, but I definitely needed to add a little bit to the parting space just to make it look more flawless and put together. And then I'll be going in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine serum just to stop any frizziness and flyaways, because this hair will get frizzy. It got frizzy on me throughout the day. As far as the density on this unit, it says that it's 200%. I don't feel like it's 200%. I feel like it's more between 150 and 180. However, I feel like it's a very good density because it is so short. You may not want your hair to be like super big at this length. I feel like if it was a little bit longer, then that density would probably be perfect if it was a true density. But because it is so short, I wouldn't want it so big and thick like that, but I feel like this density is good enough. I'll also be adding some bobby pins to the very back just to make sure everything is laid down, because I don't want my wig to be slipping back and I don't want to have to risk it flying off or worry about the back flapping up. Next, I'll be taking my foam wrap and just kind of going along the side because I feel like I've messed it up a little bit. So I just want to refix that and touch it up so it will blend in with everything else. Fighting with the side of this hair trying to use my rat tail comb, and I was like, man, I give up. I'm going back in with my edge brush. I'm telling you guys, this edge brush definitely helps out and it just makes the difference. As you guys can see, it was just easy for me to smooth that over. It was 10 times better. I'll make sure to leave a link down below for that also. But yeah, this is what the hairline looks like. And like I said, I didn't freeze spray and I didn't add any gel or adhesives. That is what the cut looks like. The cut on this looks really good. I did wear this out for the day. Like I said, it was very easy to deal with and it was lightweight on my head. I didn't feel like it was super heavy, and it was hot this day. Like I said before, it was humid outside, so I did notice some frizziness in it, but the curls are nice and bouncy, and you also get a very good amount of parting space. Make sure to leave a little clip up top just to show you guys what the parting space looks like on my head if you wanted to see what the middle part looks like. But yeah, this unit is very fun and bouncy. It's a cute length. I love this length. I've been doing like 14 and 16 inches, so I was very happy to kind of go with something shorter, and I do have some more shorter options for you guys that are affordable also. I'll also be showing you guys what it looks like if you decide to tuck this behind your ear. I think it looks really cute and playful. Now with this unit, I did get a couple of strands of shedding, not too much. I really didn't experience any tangling. However, like I did say, I did experience some frizziness, and it did like swell up throughout the day. Yeah guys, let me know what you think about this unit. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like this video, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye guys.